My name's Andrew Coben, and I'm with the Brady Coben Law Group.
Andrew, what is an asset protection trust?
An asset protection trust is a trust that provides a level of protection from the creditors of the beneficiary. In other words, if the beneficiary got sued or divorced, that trust would provide a barrier from that lawsuit creditor or divorcing spouse from accessing the assets within.
How effective are asset protection trusts when it comes to protecting assets?
Well, like many things in the law, the answer to that question is it depends. In large measure, it depends on what state the beneficiary resides in. Anytime we have an asset protection question, what we're dealing with is a conflict of laws. We have one set of laws that says that the beneficiary's assets within the trust are not the assets of the creditor. And we have another set of laws that say, hey, a debtor has to pay its just debts. So each state's going to interpret that a little differently. In North Carolina, we have a very favorable set of rules that say that if the beneficiary is a beneficiary of the trust, then those trust assets aren't available to that beneficiary's creditors.
So, can I protect my own assets by setting up an asset protection trust?
Once again, the answer is it depends. It depends on what state you live in. In North Carolina, there really is no such thing as a self-settled asset protection trust. In other words, I can't form a trust, put my assets into it, enjoy the same level of control I would if those assets were not inside of the trust, and expect that trust to provide some creditor protection for me in the event that I got sued or divorced. There are some jurisdictions that allow trusts like that. Again, anytime we're looking at type of tax planning or asset protection planning, there's going to be a number of trade-offs to consider in determining whether we're going to go down that avenue. In large measure, there's probably a lot of other avenues that we would want to explore first for a North Carolina resident before suggesting that they go form a trust in a different jurisdiction. I'm Andrew Coben with the Brady Coben Law Group.